What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rishawn, and I'm back on that grind. If you clicked on this video, you're probably either in the market for one of these. You probably curious on things about them, or you probably just here, honestly. But today I'm gonna be giving y'all things you should consider before buying one. But first, I gotta find my
Boy, I'm so sweaty.
microphone because I don't want y'all hearing all this extra stuff, and I want my quality to be clear. I got everything situated. So basically, one of the things is if you don't plan on like spending money on gas, this is not the car. Not at all. Like it's not like terrible. It's not like a Scat or a Hellcat or none of that, because you feel me. One of our perks is, I wouldn't recommend it, but you can put 87 in them motherfucker. You feel me? That's what I was doing when I first got it. You can put 87 in this car. This car takes 87. Right now I'm on 89. I've put 93 in it before for like a month straight. It was too much. So, and then it's 2026. Gas prices look terrible. So yeah, I'm okay. Say what you want to say. I'm cool with 89. Anyway, so I do get like 9 miles per gallon, probably 8 if I ain't lucky. I can't see it no more, but last time I checked it was like 9. But I drive this thing like a maniac, so it's kind of my fault. It's not nobody else's fault, but I ain't mad at it. I bought the car to enjoy it. I enjoy it. Tires got some thread on them, but that's really number one. Gas. Number two was gonna be tires. I thought my tires was bald. That's what I was showing y'all, but they're not. Number two, tires. If you drive it like me, if you plan on doing donuts, burning out, whatever, you're gonna be buying tires. I get used tires. I got two 45 40/20 on the front, and then on the back, don't mind the dirtiness. I know I need to wash this. Let's go to the other one. That one too dirty. On the back, we are running 275 45/20. I don't know why. I don't, honestly. When I lower it, I might go like 275 40/20. I don't know, or 35. I don't know. I'm still in debate, but I do need to get it lowered. It sits like a monster truck. Like, look at this. I can fit my whole hand in there. This gay, like, look at his junk. His junk lowered. Mine not. But it's neither here nor there. It's a process, okay? And I ain't got no money like that, so it is what it is. But so 1 was gas, 2 was tires, 3 police, bro. Police. I don't know what it is, but they attract to these cars like crazy. Like, they always think they stolen. They always bothering me. Definitely if you stay where like I stay. I was in Farmington Hills. If you from Michigan, you know what I'm talking about. I was in Farmington Hills. No, I was in Livonia. And this cop it was a cop in a Durango. He was going the whole opposite way. He almost caused an accident trying to get behind me just to read my plate and then go about his day. It's just stuff like that just be blowing me. So police is a big factor on like annoying. And I'm out here loose right now, but I'm gonna get it back together. But I'm still legal as of right now. But my legalness is coming up because the date coming for that insurance and insurance. Another thing that makes this car terrible is they be trying to quote us, like, definitely if you're young with like stuff on your license and junk. Why can my foot fit in there? Like, look at that. Oh shit, look at that gap. Like, oh my god. Like, just put that. Nah, let me chill. But nah, insurance is like, wow. Like, one time I got quoted 1,100 for this shit. 1,100, bro. Now I ain't telling y'all what I pay for insurance, nigga. If y'all want a video on what I pay for insurance, y'all gotta let me know. But nah, yeah. So first thing first, gas is crazy. Gas, you're gonna be coming out dog shit. Probably like 80 on E. If you get a good gas station, probably like 80. That'll last you like 2-3 days, depending on how you drive, you know. So it is what it is, though. What was 2? Tires. Don't be driving like me, and you're gonna be good. You're gonna be good. 3. What was 3? Cops. I forgot. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna act like we gonna stop numbering. Next. If you wanna mod it, bro, mods be expensive. Like, hold on. This was 35, but I had to. It was a lot. It ain't even expensive. It's time consuming. It was $35, but I had to buy it like 3 different times because they was either broke or the wires was broke. I had to buy the wire harness, and then it was just a lot. This, I got lucky, 100 for my man's with the spoiler and the wicker bill, and it's OEM off of a real scat. So, boom. This was like $35. This was like $250, 100, like 60, and then like 100. I've been through so many of these. It's been like 400. Let's see. I got CarPlay in there. That was like 200 and something. I got stars in my roof. That was like 100 and something because I did it myself. But you want stars from somebody else, you paying like 700, 800 to a band. You want to wrap it, that's like 1,500 if you do it yourself. I don't know. No, it's like 600 if you do it yourself. It's like 2,000 if you get it. You feel me? It's like, what else? You want to lower it? You want to mod the engine? You want to rebuild it? That's like, you want to do a swap? That's like 20K. It's like, bro, it's a lot, but that's what come with it. And y'all gonna see me build this car. My phone just hit me with the no storage. Like, bro, I just had to delete everything on my phone that was old. But it said no storage, and then it was overheating because it's hot, so I had to go put it in a freezer. But basically, what I was finna say before it cut off on me was, it's done to cut off on me again, bro. I'm actually getting mad. Like, I'm trying not to get heated. But as I was saying before it cut off again, I'm about to wrap the video up, and I forgot to put my mic in. So if y'all hear wind and stuff, and I don't know, I'm sorry. But no, I do feel like once y'all help me make some money, I'm gonna start building this car, and I do plan on doing a lot to this engine, and I plan on having a lot. So I'm about to just start a series once I, get my life together. I've been going through a lot. I ain't even here to ramble and rant though, but it is what it is. So I just basically just give it time. By a certain amount of time, I'm gonna be up there. My car gonna be up there, and I'm gonna be known. So it's just a matter of time, patience. But overall, back to the original video, that's really it that I deal with on a day-to-day basis. Maintenance ain't that bad. Things of that nature, if you really keep up with it, get your oil change and all that. I feel like if you plan on doing something with the car, like content and stuff, it's a great car. If you plan on just having a car but having a daily, that's a great idea. And then if you plan on daily in this car but not doing content, you just want the car to drive it to work and things of that nature, do that too. You feel me? It's just a matter of how you drive it. Like, I drive this car for content, but then again, I daily it too. So it's like,